Ethereum cost genuinely equivalent to $1,793.62 a coin in an unpretentious manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,777.98 $1,854.74, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, $1,854.47, or so they thought. The change by and large was 60.85, 3.28% amazingly. Backwards rate, USD to ETH in a significant way. Ethereum value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $18.92. In every way that really matters. Most extreme 2024, genuinely least $17.60 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $19.05. Genuinely greatest 2038. Genuinely least $17.72, genuinely further appearance how today. Exchange cost range, $1,777.98 $1,854.74, which sort of is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $18.90. Genuinely greatest 2022, beautiful least $17.58, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost $18.98. For the most part greatest 2031, lovely least $17.65. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $19.11. Most certainly greatest 2045, kind of least $17.77 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $18.88. Extremely greatest 2020, most certainly least $17.56, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $18.86. Certainly most extreme 2018, really least $17.54 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum estimate on Monday, June 5, cost $18.94. By and large greatest 2027, genuinely least $17.61, which especially is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $19.11. In every practical sense, greatest 2045, fundamentally least $17.77, or so they certainly thought. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 7, cost $19.15. Essentially most extreme 2049, certainly least $17.81, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $19.02. Essentially greatest 2035, exceptionally least $17.69, or so they for the most part thought. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 9, cost $19.15. In every practical sense, most extreme 2049, truly least $17.81, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost $18.66, truly greatest $19.97, exceptionally least $17.35. Sort of additional appearance how in multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $19.11, kind of most extreme 2045, least $17.77, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum figure on Tuesday, June 13, cost $18.60, extremely greatest $19.90, certainly least $17.30, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $18.55, really most extreme $19.85, exceptionally least $17.25 in a kind of large manner. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, June 15, cost $18.30, fundamentally most extreme $19.58, truly least $17.02, which really is very critical. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $18.08, especially greatest $19.35, least $16.81, or so they generally thought. Ethereum figure on Monday, June 19, cost $17.23. In every practical sense, most extreme $18.44, sort of least $16.02, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, June 20, cost $18.31, especially greatest $19.59, fundamentally least $17.03, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In about a month Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost $18.05. In every practical sense, greatest $19.31, extremely least $16.79, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $18.38, sort of greatest $19.67, essentially least $17.09 in a kind of significant manner. Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 23, cost $18.78, kind of most extreme 2009, in every practical sense, least $17.47. USD to ETH conversion scale truly equivalent to 0.5575 coins per 1,000 bucks in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Today, reach 0.5392 minus 0.5624, exhibiting that Ethereum estimate on Friday, June 23. Cost 1878 bucks. Beautiful greatest 2009. Kind of least 1747 in an unpretentious way. The past day, nearby 0.5392, showing that in 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 1855 bucks, essentially most extreme 1985, genuinely least 1725 in a huge way. Change for now plus 0.0183, plus 3.39%, which in a real sense is very huge. USD to ETH cost gauge in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they truly thought. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 0.529 coins. By and large greatest 0.568, especially least 0.494, which sort of is very critical. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, May 26, cost 0.525 coins. Extremely greatest 0.564, fundamentally least 0.491, which is very critical. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 0.529 coins. Really greatest 0.569, genuinely least 0.495 in a sort of huge manner. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.527 coins. Sort of greatest 0.567, really least 0.492, or so they essentially thought. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.523 coins. Sort of most extreme 0.563, by and large least 0.489. USD to ETH forecast on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.530 coins. For the most part greatest 0.569, least 0.495, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Friday, June 2, cost 0.530 coins. Sort of most extreme 0.570, truly least 0.496 in an unpretentious way. USD to ETH forecast on Monday, June 5, cost 0.528 coins. Kind of most extreme 0.568, sort of least 0.493 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.523 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.563, certainly least 0.489, which especially is genuinely huge. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.522 coins, really most extreme 0.561, fundamentally least 0.488, or so they certainly thought. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.526 coins, greatest 0.565, sort of least 0.491, which especially is very critical. USD to ETH forecast on Friday, June 9, cost 0.522 coins. By and large most